All right, so this time I'm going to compare area model and partial products. These right now are probably the two favorite strategies of students in class. I like them both because they're very easy to see all of the parts and how we have to multiply each of the parts together. So for the area model, I'm going to start off with my large rectangle. And I'm going to write the numbers in expanded form. So 20 plus 3 and 40 plus 6. And I draw my lines in. With my partial products, I'm going to write that problem vertically, and I know that in multiplication it doesn't matter which one comes first, and I usually put the larger number on top. So if I come back over and I fill in my area model with all of the problems, I will have 40 times 20, 40 times 3, 6 times 20, and 6 times 3. Over here, where I do partial products, I start in the ones place. So that first problem that I'm going to solve is 6 times 3. And if I look, that problem is right here also. And 6 times 3 equals 18. In the partial product method, the next problem that I solve would be 4 times 3. But that's not just 4, it's in the tens place. So that number is 40 times 3. And that's the same problem that I have over here, 40 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and a 0 at the end. So I'm going to make sure that I line all my place values up, but that's 120. I have 2 problems left. I'm done with this 3. I've already used this 3. I don't need to use it anymore. Now I have to multiply both of the top numbers by this 2. And that's not just 2, it is 20 because it's 2 tens. So my next problem is going to be 6 times 2 tens, which is 20. And if I look over here at the area model, here's that problem here. 6 times 2 is 12, and 0. I have 120 again. The final problem that I have in the partial products is 4 times 2, but they're both in the tens place. So it's 40 times 20. And again, it's the same problem that's over here in my area model. 4 times 2 is 8. There's my 2 zeros. So now I have 800. And now that I've solved all 4 parts, I can add up my answer. And then I need to add up what I got in my area model. And hopefully, if I've done all of my math correctly, I will get the same answer. So again, having 2 different ways to solve a problem is a great way to be able to check our work and make sure that we did our calculations correctly, and we can be confident in our answer. 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Great, my answers match. So hopefully that helps you see the relationship between the area model and partial products. When we have 2-digit by 2-digit numbers, you're always going to have 4 individual multiplication problems that you're going to solve and that you have to add back together. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.